3, 2.
Oh, no.
Oh, God. No. Yes. No.
What's up, Campbell family members? Today we're doing the junk food versus healthy food challenge, and it's about to go down.
What's up, guys? It's the Campbell family, and we are here with another food challenge. And what type of challenge is it, guys?
Junk food versus healthy food.
Alright, guys, you hear that? Junk food versus healthy food. So let's see who is gonna enjoy all of the healthy food, and let's see who is even gonna enjoy the junk food even more while we watch other people have to eat healthy food.
We about to get all the junk on this side, guys.
And all the healthy on that
Alright.
Yeah. Because we realize what this challenge about. Because you say you're on the junk food side, but it depends on what you pick. You don't get straight junk food.
Alright, so guys, this is how the challenge works. So we have a 7-round challenge, right? So as you can see, this is how it works, guys. Healthy food right here, guys.
Junk food.
This is for them, guys. We get the junk food.
No.
Alright, so we're gonna do a shuffle around, guys. So who wanna shuffle first?
Me.
Yeah, I'm gonna let you shuffle when it's our turn. So
Okay, sorry. Shuffle. And choose one for us.
alright, we can't look, guys, no.
Alright. Pick one.
Alright, shuffle it, guys. We gotta shuffle
Want to
first.
shuffle again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so what y'all wanna do? You all wanna switch or y'all wanna keep? Switch? Alright, do the switch. Guys, they say they wanna switch, guys.
You better get junk.
Let's see what we got, guys. We got the junk food, guys. We got the junk food, guys. Yeah.
Oh, no. You can share mommy, right?
Guys, before we go any further in this video, don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell.
It's the Campbell family. So guys, we are the winner. So we get the donuts, guys. All the nice donuts, guys. Guys, you ready to eat some donuts, guys?
You share with mommy?
No, we ain't sharing with
Really?
them. Yeah, they can't have nothing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's my boy. We ain't sharing nothing with them, guys. We ain't sharing nothing. Let's open up our donuts. Show them what y'all got over there.
We got tomatoes.
They got tomatoes. They got tomatoes. Alright, y'all eating healthy over there.
I ain't eating that. Sorry, Enzo. Eat up.
No, you.
I ain't eating that.
Choose the
Papa.
donut, guys. Choose the donut. See? Yes, we have some donuts. How the donut taste, guys? Tastes good? Mmm.
3.
Eat it. Oh.
Alright, guys. Y'all getting some donut? We all give, y'all want some of our donuts? No, you gotta stay over there. Y'all ain't getting none of our donuts. Alright, guys, so it look like me and Amari, and we win this round. You know what I mean? Yeah, we win this round. We eating our donuts, we're doing good. My boy right here,
Your mommy, please.
No!
Give me this.
No!
Peace.
No! No! No donut for them.
That tastes nice.
Very mine.
That's good because I need something sweet in my mouth.
Guys, we win this round. Number 1.
Ugh. I'm not cheating though.
No, we ain't cheating.
Come, let me shuffle this stuff.
Alright, let's close our eyes.
Go.
Alright, shuffle it again, Kai. You're the good lucky guy. Shuffle it again. They was looking while we shuffling. Y'all should close your eyes. Shuffle it some more, Kai. You're cheating, man. Alright. What y'all wanna do?
No, y'all pick.
Huh?
Let them pick.
We should pick. You wanna switch or you wanna keep?
Keep.
You wanna keep? Alright, so we keep it. Alright. Let's see, guys. We keep it.
Yes! No!
We say
No.
junk food. Let's go.
Y'all
So,
cheating.
guys.
If they don't do it,
You're cheating.
So,
You're
guys.
cheating.
Before we go any further in this video, guys, we would like to congratulate Omarian, Zaria, and Xavier, guys. You know why? Because they all made the honor roll this year, guys. So, you know, we gotta give them a round of applause, guys. They made the honor roll this year again, guys. All three of them made the honor roll. So, you know, we are just a proud parents to know that, you know, our kids doing real good in school, making the honor roll, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so, you know what I'm saying? High five to all of you guys, man. High five, high five, high five, high five. We ain't friends till this game is over, though. We ain't friends till this game is over, though. Cause we get this, the junk food. So, guys, look what we get. More junk food. Seems like it's an early Valentine's. We get some chocolate, guys.
You don't love this way.
You love this chocolate? Yeah, ain't no love that way for real. We got all the love. See, we got all the love, guys. We got all the love.
I know you love mommy, so I know I'm about to get one.
No. They ain't giving them none. No, they ain't getting nothing. No.
Oh,
Show them what y'all got to eat.
we got carrots.
Yeah, y'all gotta eat those carrots. Bunny rabbits, bunny rabbits, bunny rabbits. Bunny rabbits. Yeah. Let's open up our chocolate, guys.
I ain't about this healthy chocolate.
Hold on, I'll open
Give
it
me a
for
small
you.
one. Small one.
Oh, you got it.
Let's take that.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See guys, chocolate. We got some chocolate, man.
This one's
Mmm.
Better than this one.
The carrot ain't too bad.
Mmm.
Better than the chocolate. I doubt that, but it ain't as bad as the tomato.
Yeah, you want some of the chocolate? Hmm? You want the chocolate? You eat the chocolate. Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look what's happening over there, guys. They ate the chocolate. So you know what happened from they ate the chocolate,
Nah,
guys?
I eating carrot.
Yeah,
I
but
didn't know
yeah,
chocolate.
but that's the team members. You responsible for your team members. They ate our chocolate, so they automatically lose, guys. They automatically lose. So you will know. Yeah, Kai set them up. Kai did that one. Kai set them up. Kai tricked them.
Don't worry about that. 'Cause
Yeah,
when
Kai
you get
tricked them,
finished,
guys.
Kai finna get it too.
Guys tricked them. So we win round 2 again, guys. We win round 2.
done.
Alright guys, so we're gonna let them shuffle again. They said they wanna shuffle first, guys. They said they wanna do the, you know, the shuffling thing. They
Come on,
wanna do it.
come on, baby.
Let them do it. We can.
Give us something good. We need
We
some
ain't
junk
looking.
in our We need some junk in our life.
Y'all need some junk. They said they need some junk, guys.
Alright, Kai.
You shuffle, guy. You are the man.
Hey, don't look.
Yeah, they be looking. Get them, guy. Get them, guy. Yeah, get them. They're looking. Get them. Alright.
Sorry.
What y'all wanna do? Switch or keep?
Say pick. Switch or keep.
Keep.
They wanna keep. They said they wanna keep, guys. Alright, they wanna keep. Alright, guys, let's see what we got. We are on a roll, guys. We are on a roll. Kai, you're on a roll, man. Look here. You're on a roll, man. Alright, guys, we get the junk food. Let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get. I know they're stressing right now, guys. Yeah, they're stressing. You know, they're stressing because they just be eating a lot of healthy food. They're trying to get Kai to cheat for them, but Kai ain't selling out, guys. Kai ain't selling out. No, you ain't selling out, right? No.
But I gave you document that in.
Yes. I ain't selling out.
Kai, I'm gonna get you back.
Yeah.
I thought you had my back. At least somewhat.
Not this time, guys.
So,
So, yeah. Guys, this, yes, guys, this is the solution right here. We get this. Show the guys what you get. Y'all don't want to show up your paper. Show them what you get. See, we get it.
I'm about this life.
We got it, guys. So, yeah, let's see what we get. And we ain't sharing either. We ain't sharing none of our food with them, guys. None. Alright, so guys, we got cotton candy, guys. Show them what you got.
and we got a salad.
Which is not so bad. Yeah, we eat salad. So
They say they
this
got
is
the
actually
salad.
Good.
I mean,
Whoa.
the
Whoa.
last one, I done did y'all.
Kai, we're doing good, Kai.
Cheers.
Yeah, Kai, get it. Get it.
You just want a little piece? Just a little piece?
Kai, she said she wanted a little piece.
No, no,
You think we should give her a little piece?
no. Keep that.
Hmm?
Keep
You
it.
want piece, right, Larry? Mm-hmm. Kai's sharing. Kai's sharing. Come, Kai, come on. We ain't sharing with them. It look good though. Right, Zay? Cotton candy. It look good, right?
Chips. Our family is good.
Hmm?
The salad is good. Real good.
Salad is good, not like this cotton candy.
Get the healthy food, we're not gonna share none.
Mm. Mm.
We're not gonna give them any.
Mm.
How am I lucky dropping it?
Mm.
And something.
Mm. Yes, we have so much sweets here. But guess what? I know this sweets ain't too good for me, but hey, I'm enjoying it right now. Me and Kai right here. Yeah, we're enjoying all the junk food, guys. All the junk food.
I consider salad junk food, so that one was actually good. Thank you.
Thank you, Tata.
Thanks for the salad. You don't know what you're missing.
You know?
That salad is so good.
You see how much cotton candy we have right here?
You like salad?
Find me some salad?
Nope, nope, nope,
Hmm?
nope. You're not that garden me, don't
Yeah.
me, you.
So who trade cotton candy for salad?
Nobody.
Nobody do that.
Nobody.
And the
Alright, guys. So this is what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna go to round number 4 because we win 3 rounds already. Okay, guys, we win 3 rounds. See, my boy here having fun. They ain't look like they're having no fun over there, guys. They ain't having no fun at all. They having no fun at all, guys. We having all the fun right here. Shuffle. We only need one more. We need one more, and we shall give them like we win. If we win one more, we win. It's like flawless victory, guys.
You're cheating, that's why.
No, hold on. Shuffle again. We was looking. I ain't trying to cheat. We ain't trying to cheat nothing. We was looking. Shuffle again. Shuffle again. Ready? Alright, guys.
me something good this time, please.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Yeah, y'all need to close
You
your
trust
eyes.
this
No,
time.
y'all need to close your eyes. Yeah, y'all need to close your eyes, man. Y'all trying to do.
Y'all
Alright,
choose.
what we're gonna do? Switch or keep?
No, you choose.
Keep. Guys say we should keep, guys, so let's keep again. We get the healthy food this time, guys.
Hey, hey, hey! It's about time.
We get the healthy food.
Wait, y'all.
It's about time.
Y'all know what y'all did out, and then
It's about
Right,
time.
we win 3 rounds. We ain't worrying about that.
we got marshmallows.
Finally, something good.
Guys, they're boring, guys.
Y'all did.
We got broccoli. Okay, we got broccoli with cheese. All right, guys. Yeah,
How you
so
like those broccoli, Sky Kai?
We're gonna love them. Try
We
this.
were lucky down there, and then we went more.
Right.
than
Eat up, eat up, eat up, eat it.
If we
Get your grub on.
We ain't bad, right?
S'mores. You want a s'mores?
No, y'all not down there.
No, you guys don't want. Boy, Guy.
Mm.
Then why?
Look at that.
Guy.
No.
That is so good. Mm.
I don't look
Guy.
at
I ain't sure about this broccoli though. I ain't like this broccoli, man.
Guy, you want one of these?
Me always
Yeah,
looking
man.
up
No.
for good.
No.
You know I love you.
Guy, you want some more of this broccoli here?
Yeah, eat up.
Yeah?
Yeah. Y'all could have to eat the tomatoes.
That's right.
Oh,
It has chocolate in it. It's so cool.
this better than that.
Look,
Hmm?
marshmallows and chocolate.
Guys, I'm surprised. Guy eating the broccoli and cheese. You look like you like it. So you're a good healthy food eater then.
No, you're just competitive.
He's competitive. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, guys. He's competitive. I know, I wouldn't eat too much of these broccoli and cheese though, but see? He let us win regardless. Not win, but it's a draw. It's a draw, guys, because we didn't have no. See, they trying to cheat, guys. So it's a draw.
You open your mouth.
You lucky I didn't do
It's a
lucky
job.
double.
Alright, guys, so we're on to round number
5.
Five.
5. So guys, we're on to round number 5. Alright guys, so let's see. We are 3 up,
Not doing that.
1 draw. So it's round number 5. We are 3. We won 3 rounds
Y'all going down.
and they
You going down.
I'm going down. However, we have
Listen,
more
guys.
points. If we get one
This
more
one
round,
here is very spicy, man. He's very
If you-
spicy.
if
Hold
you
on. He said they're going down. So we are up round 3. We win 3 rounds.
and then
Round
we
4 was
won.
a draw. Let's see what happened in round 5, guys. Let's see what happened in round 5. And it's a 7-round game. So let's see what happened, guys. Let's shuffle.
Let's get it.
Who's shuffling?
Me.
You guys? Alright, they win. They shuffle. Yeah,
Come on, Reed.
alright.
You got this, mama. Shuffle like your life depends on it, girl.
Alright, shuffle it, guys. Yeah, y'all close your eyes. Look over there. Yeah, they ain't looking, guys. Shuffle. Alright, what y'all wanna do? Switch or keep?
Pixar, yeah.
Y'all keeping? Alright, we keeping too. Let's see what we got, guys. We got more healthy food, guys.
We got junk food.
Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Guys, don't worry. We already win the first 3 rounds. We ain't worried about that.
Yeah, and y'all
Alright.
have do boys and we
Oh, yeah.
But if y'all didn't do But y'all have.
Alright.
But
So yeah,
We
go
got
ahead,
you.
go ahead,
We
get
got
your stuff.
you. So guys, we won that round and we got
Soda.
soda.
Yeah,
You got, what you got?
They
What
got
kind of
soda. We got
Almond milk.
the almond milk, guys. We got the almond milk. So yeah, this is the healthy food. All right. All right, guys. So we got the almond
Cheers.
milk. All right. Yeah. All right. So Kai got a smaller glass. Yeah. Right.
No. I thought you liked soda. Yeah, taught me do we do.
And you know what's the funniest thing, guys?
This orange soda is so good.
The healthy food ain't gonna get me that much because this is the type of food that I eat every day anyhow. But this guy right here is a soldier. He's doing pretty well because he's eating the healthy food like it's nothing. Alright guys, so yeah, this round look like it's a draw. Whoa! Yeah, this round is definitely a draw, guys. See? Because we still drink this almond milk.
You're so competitive.
Kai, what did mommy give you? How much food all day long?
I picked the right team member. This guy right here is the right team member. Give me a high five, man. Alright, so round 5 was a draw, guys. We're going to round 6. Let's see what happened in round 6, guys. Round 5 was a draw.
Nope.
And we are up by 3.
That
And-
was lucky. 2.
No, we won the first 3 games.
Yeah, but we won too.
No, draw. Because we never said we don't want the food.
Oh yeah, remember when they run the
Yeah, we never said we never want the food. We actually ate the food. We taste the food.
We ate all of them too. So
Nah, y'all guys ate our food too.
Nah, y'all eat. Sabotage us.
No, we never sabotage nobody. Y'all was just trying to eat what we got. We never sabotage you guys. No, you all take what we give y'all. You
she
shouldn't
does
have
never
taken.
prosper.
Alright guys, we up by 3 guys.
I should.
Okay? Alright, so we're going to round number 6. Round number 6. Round number 6 it is.
Stop cheating. Enough. Look, I got it here. I want to see if it's not. Oh, yeah, napkin. Maybe you did that for that. And you lost.
Look over there. Y'all gotta stop looking. Alright, what y'all wanna do?
Keep.
Switch.
Switch.
Deep.
No, they say keep already. Why they wanna switch? You can't say switch and keep and switch. Let's shuffle
Alright,
again. Hold
we'll
on.
keep it.
No, let's shuffle again. Shuffle again. Turn your face that way. Shuffle time. Alright. What y'all wanna do?
Deep. No, deep.
No, they wins, guys, so they get to switch our keep, alright? When we win, I think we, yeah. What?
Go.
We get the jump!
We win it.
We get the jump!
I know y'all.
Yeah, we get the jump!
I know y'all don't be dumb.
Guys,
Remember you
we
my
get the
lucky
jump!
double.
Guys, we get the jump, guys!
Give us
We get
something
the jump!
good.
We get the jump!
Give me something good, okay?
Alright, so we're gonna see what we get. Alright.
The we got the.
Yeah, we got Skittles, guys. Skittles. Hold up this trophy, man. It's like a trophy. Hold it up, let everybody see. Yeah, we got Skittles. We are the champion, guys. Yes, champion.
We win.
We are up round 4. We're gonna still play them till all the same seven games up, alright? So we got Skittles.
I love that. We
got
strawberries.
They got strawberries, guys. Woohoo!
I did the right thing. I I think you have 13 more.
And just so you know, we washed all of them before we started.
We got that old bag of skittles, guys.
No.
Hold on, Kai. Hold on. This bag is hard to open. Hold on.
Not for me.
Hold on. Not for you. Hold on. Alright. So look at Skittles. A bunch of Skittles, man. We got all these Skittles. Yeah. You want to give them one, Kai? You think we should give them one?
Yeah.
Yeah, give them one.
No.
Alright, they don't want it. Let's keep all our Skittles. We don't have to give you all nothing, anyhow.
Yeah.
We don't have to give you all.
Yeah.
Yeah, hold on. Oh yeah, let's steal one. Let's steal one, guys. Yeah, let's steal
I'm
one.
about to eat it.
Hold on. See, we have a bunch of Skittles right here, man.
It rained and doodles.
And raining Skittles.
There are many doodles. Take that to my lucky double.
It's raining Skittles.
Alright, we did that.
Oh yeah, strawberry.
Great. Besides the fact that some of them write properly. Some of them are good.
I level 7. I don't do
We have all the Skittles, man. So guys, we win round 6. Yeah, me and Omarian.
Right now, we in the lead.
We in the
About
lead.
that life, guys.
We in the lead, boy. We in the lead. We win round 6. Yeah, Kai? Yeah, we win round 6.
Y'all lucky I did nothing good for once.
Yeah, you give them good something for once. You give them good something for once. Alright. So, guys, we won 4 rounds. But guess what, guys? 2 rounds was draw. Right? So, we're gonna play round 7. And this is a special round for you all.
Why?
Losers get to eat. We're gonna let y'all see. We ain't gonna tell you guys. We are gonna let you find out. So let's see who win round 7. We ain't gonna tell you guys.
Oh,
This
no.
one here is very, very nasty, guys.
I don't want it. I don't want it at all. I don't want it at all. It's really nasty to me. I tasted it once before.
Yeah. Yep.
And that wasn't a good experience. Maybe I got it from the wrong place, but I guess we're gonna see.
You all wanna know what it is, guys? You all ready to know what it is? Alright, we're gonna shuffle and then we're gonna tell you what it is. Guys, you all ready for round 7, guys?
No.
We gonna do round 7, guys. So let's go.
If finale is done.
The finale is done.
Yeah, we already run. We already won. We already won, Kai. But we're just giving the viewers a special treat. We're giving the viewers a special treat. We are giving the viewers a special treat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know how special it is, but
It's gonna be really better.
Alright,
special.
so, alright, we're gonna let that shuffle, guys. Shuffle.
something good, mama.
Yeah, done.
Get them, Kai. Get them. Get them, cause boy, the loser who get this healthy food, it ain't gonna be too good. The healthy food ain't gonna be too good.
You gonna keep or you gonna switch?
Right. We gonna keep? We wanna keep. Yeah, we're gonna keep, guys.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
2, 1, go.
We
Sorry for
got
one
the
second,
job.
you're not
Guys, so
The finale is done.
the finale is done.
They
We know.
cheating, guys.
But guys, look, lift up and show the guys them what you got. Show the fans what you got. Show everybody what y'all got. So guys, it's time to reveal what the healthy food is and what the junk food is. Okay, guys? So let's see what it is. It ain't gonna be too good for them.
No.
So, guys, we got what we got, Kai?
Chips.
Chips. Yes.
And
We
then,
got Lay's stacks chips.
and
Yes.
what's them that is bad.
What y'all got?
Sushi.
No, they ain't talking so we can hear them, guys. You see? Tell the viewers what y'all got.
We got sushi.
Sushi.
They got sushi, guys.
Then that was nothing to me.
They ain't look too happy. They ain't look too happy. What does it taste like? Cause,
It's
You
nasty.
could have one.
huh?
You could have one to find out.
Not when we win. We won. We get it. Hey, Zay.
You want one? You want one?
Okay, we ain't giving them nothing. Come on.
Thanks.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Hold on.
Sorry. What happened?
Hold on.
Hopefully this one tastes good. This one might taste good.
That
It's
made
the
out
crab.
of
Hold on, guys.
No, that was the tone right. You
Let-
like crab because you eat crab. You just eat
Hold on.
crab and seafood
Let me
mukbang.
keep. So, Kai,
You want it?
you remember what Zari said when he said they was going down? After they
You
win
want
2
some of this?
rounds, you remember what they said to you? Actually, Kai, it's you are going down.
You ready, Rick?
Well, listen, right about now,
Ready,
it
Zay?
looked like they are going down. And then-
with 2 points.
guys, look at them, guys.
Very tough one.
Look at them,
Look
guys.
at them. Look at it. Ooh.
Yeah, look at them. Look at that guy. Why are you distancing? Why is he distancing? I thought he was on your team. I thought he was on your team.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I already tasted it.
Okay, that's good. 3, 2, 1.
Oh God, no, yeah, stay over there, man. No. Oh yeah.
But was for last. It was gonna be Dave for last.
Guys, they are back. First of all, I was trying to figure out, you know what I mean, who was the fastest runner? Because they run off. They run off, guys.
Yeah.
This one must be a runner, and this one must be a track star. That's how the song goes, right? A runner and a track star. Yeah, guys, because they were speeding. Really speeding. They're lucky the state trooper never see them, guys. They were speeding. They're lucky the state trooper never see them, guys. They was.
Yeah, you want
You all keep that over there.
No.
Hey, you all keep that over there, man.
Hey, no, that's not our food.
Yeah.
Get that out of
No,
here.
we don't want that. Get that out of here for real.
You got this
So,
away
guys-
from me.
So guys, you know, we have come to the end of the video. It's Team Martin and Omarian. Yeah, Team Martin, Team Kai, aka Omarian. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We win. Alright? These are the, you know what I mean, runner-ups over here. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to call them the losers.
Runner up.
They are the runner-up. You know what I mean? They are the, no, let's do it like this. They are the L. You know what I'm saying? Right, Kai? Yeah, they are the L. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, we have come to the end of the video.
We didn't get much good food on this side, but it was fun. We had a lot of fun doing this video.
We all had a lot of fun with this video. And don't forget to like and do like and turn on the notification bell.
Yeah, guys. Yeah. And if you want to see more videos like this, just comment that down below and let us know. You know what I'm saying? And guess what? The more likes you give us, the more we will consider to do another video like this. Alright? So
Yeah.
give us as much likes as you can. Right?
Yep.
Yep.
Share, share, share.
We out.